Hey guys, how's it going? It is another beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest, and I am excited to share something with you today. We're going to be opening up some boxes that came in the mail all the way from Bulgaria. So we are setting up our Virus PPG Paramotors today. So as soon as Max gets here, we're going to get these opened up and see what we have. Look who's here.
What's up, man?
It's time!
What are we gonna do with those Fieros?
We're gonna build them up and race them. Is this weird? Like the whole filming?
This happens so frequently now, it just doesn't even bug me anymore. Like one of the keys to like good vlogging, highly caffeinated. Drink a bang.
Oh yeah.
Yeah! It makes it so easy.
All right, hey guys, so Max is here. We are gonna get to it. We're gonna open up our Paramotors today. So he brought his motor. His frame is already here. We're gonna hopefully put them together and see what else we can come up with.
We will combine all of the pieces.
Yeah. Into a working unit, hopefully. I mean, it's not like our lives are hanging in the balance or anything.
Oh, thread locker.
Did you get some?
I got blue. They're out of red.
I think I have red. I'll check.
Sparingly. It's the one thing you don't want to spare on.
Yeah.
Thread locker.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what we got. I'm sure we've got it.
Did I tell you my kid ate an entire tube of thread locker?
That can't be good.
No.
Is it non-toxic?
No, it's toxic.
Oh.
But like, it's just he didn't get enough. I guess they weren't too worried.
All right. Oh, you called poison control?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that's what you do.
That's what we do with our job. We know how to do that stuff.
All right.
What knife do you use?
Today I will be using my favorite Spyderco Dialara 3.
I'm also using a Spyderco. Oh, black. Hey, this is the paramilitary 2.
Let's go if you want to trade.
Oh wait, this is light. My bang for
All right, we're gonna do it.
Yeah. It's like nerds. All right.
This feels like a stranger in my hand.
Weird.
Well, dude, we've been sitting on these for a while, and it's been really difficult not opening them. Especially given how much we spent.
I don't
Okay.
Same.
Wow. I discovered a strange metal rod thing. Ooh. Yeah.
E-prop.
Why do you think I asked you to trade knives?
Mine is definitely sharp. Sharper.
Prop?
What do you think these props weigh? Like, not much.
Grams.
They don't feel like they're strong enough. Look at that carbon fiber. These are, they feel quality.
Yeah, they're nice. I don't think I've ever been in a place in life financially to where I could afford anything that was actual real carbon fiber.
Especially if it's that huge.
Yeah, like this is probably the biggest carbon fiber thing I've ever owned. It's really take care of this.
Yeah.
It's really nice. They just look good.
It's like Christmas.
It is. Oh. Woo, still more stuff. It's surprisingly light, and there's not much. I got some weird random pieces in the bottom, but it doesn't look like there's going to be a full time of assembly. Like the belts are on, exhaust is on, throttle's on.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna take a lot.
Belt is on. Everything's good to go.
Some directions.
Throw those away.
I think this is a DVD or a CD or something. We don't need that.
I remember those.
It's probably in Italian. Look at it. Would you look at it? Look at it. I just want to touch it. I just want to. Woo! Yeah, I wanted to see the throttle. I was kind of curious. Wait, this is gonna go left hand though. Oh, that's weird.
You don't like left hand, do you?
I want this to be down to where I'm only doing it with these two fingers, but I can't really do that.
Oh, that's a different type of throttle.
Oh.
So if you do you like the pinky and ring finger?
It's light and narrow. I like that. Here's a kill.
Yeah, kill switch is easily accessible. But yeah, if you wanted to do the other, then it's an entirely different type of handle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with this. Weird. It's in my left hand though. It is weird.
Feels foreign.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Well, I'm stoked we got new units. Like I was gonna buy old junky.
This is better. This is more better.
This is a lot safer, that's for sure.
Yeah.
These.
All right. I think that we should get the frames out.
I'm confused. Yeah.
Because that doesn't go on until it's bolted on to the frame and everything's like that's like the last thing.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
And I just want to open something else now. All right, wait. Before we start,
Yeah.
would you like the box in front of you, or would you like to trade it for this box?
That's a tough one. This is like that. I'm gonna double down. I'm gonna go with this one.
Okay. I'm gonna tilt that down.
All right. Ready, go.
Just don't cut whatever is behind it, in case it's mine.
It's yours. That's fun. It's like there's something satisfying about like using your favorite knife to open a package, but when the wing showed up, like you're not supposed to use a knife.
But mine had a little piece of cardboard in there.
Oh,
Things in like this.
you're so far ahead of me.
Oh, I'm waiting.
No, it's okay. Ah. It's like a race. Ooh, it came with a neoprene sleeve.
All of them have. Everything is sleeved.
Oh, they sleeved it.
Like too close. Too close.
Ooh. My package looks so much different than yours.
Oh. Yeah, it does.
Hold up.
Oh, you know what? You're one end. I'm the other. I think you opened the right side.
Oh, you opened yours upside down?
I think so. This is how I opened mine. I think upside down.
Yeah, it's definitely upside down.
It's not easy to get out. This is how. Oh, actually, this one is probably mine. A T-shirt.
T-shirts? Wait, this one's yours?
Yeah.
Fine. I'll take your upside down package.
Yep.
With
Hup, 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 hup. Oh, look how easy this is to get out.
Hope yours comes with a small T-shirt.
These are the, what do they call these things? Spars.
Spars.
These are so light.
Everything's really
How
light.
do people complain this is heavy? I don't understand how this could
The
be
whole
light.
unit was super light. Well, all this stuff is really cool because it's like, I don't know if they cut it on a laser or a
Water jet, it sounded like.
Yeah.
So there's two different kinds of arms here. You got S arms. These are the J arms. Ooh, that's a nice click, actually.
Snaps right in. Yeah, that's what's cool about these.
Let's get to what's really important here.
T-shirt.
Should we wear these? With a double XL. I like the name Virus too. Some people were like not loving the name Virus.
Really? I love that. I love virus, man. There's no cure.
I got a fever.
Got a fever. Some more cowboy. Look at this.
Let's wear it now. It's got a spot for a radio. We don't even have to wear chest rigs. Probably still will though.
Color trend is on.
It's a little high up here. I haven't adjusted the straps at all. Let's fly.
Let's fly.
Dude, this is not bad.
Yeah, you were kind of worried about the harness there for a bit.
was.
I think it's gonna be.
The only ooh.
Hey!
Wow.
Hey, Tyler, are you afraid of heights? Cause your zipper is. Oh! Interesting.
Oh, that's
Right in the voice.
that out. There's not a lot getting in and out of it.
Dude, I bet you your weight shift would just be ridiculous.
Well, and it's supposed to be even better with the J arm. But I think I'm gonna start with the.
Well, aren't you supposed to One of the two is what's
These are the safer, like more conservative ones.
yeah,
J-arms are the ones that have crazy weight shift,
crazy weight shift.
and which is going to be awesome. All right, so I've gotten the mounting plate on the back of the motor, and then I've mounted the motor now with the mounting plate on it to the frame. So now I'm just tightening these up. I've got the spacers put in, and now I just got to tighten those up. Once you do that, we'll put the airbox on, and then we can get the hoop and everything together. There's still a bunch of stuff to do with the motor itself and routing wires correctly and things like that, but
Yeah, there's a little like tensioner. Yeah, we'll just have to do a break-in session now. Dude, these wheels on here are nice. Yeah, just gotta reposition. And the netting, I like the netting. It came together, it's really tight, it's easy to install. All of it is really good. We'll wait for you to put them on our backs.
throttle's dangling.
Let me get my dangling throttle. So like when you're just walking around, we would just stow this up here.
These don't have cruise control.
Right.
I'm feeling eventually we'll probably swap this one.
Yeah, this Tyson's had one. Well, you could adjust.
So did that,
You could adjust like crank it down.
Yep. That was probably the same problem.
Yeah.
See if I can just you just muscle it right on.
Oh yeah.
So originally I thought this bench was going to be awesome to put this in on. It's not.
It's not awesome.
It's actually not.
Those little white fold-out tables supposed to be good.
Getting your arm into this.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially if you tried to have a radio on that, that wouldn't work at all. You have to put it in after. But now, like, that doesn't feel bad.
You look so cool right now.
Feel awesome.
Oh, yes, dude, we're doing it.
There we are. So this must be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are these outside ones.
Ooh,
Because they're not these, they're.
that makes a big difference.
I like that a lot. Well, here they are. Look at that. They're amazing. We are super excited. We want to go fly now, but we still have some things to do. We got to do some wire and hose maintenance for the fuel lines, and put reserves on them, and do the break-in process. So that will be coming up. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. That does it for this video, and we will see you on the next one. Out.
Oh, that's so sick.
These are ours.
They're ours, dude.
We own these.
We're doing it.